you know, it's really for his safety as well. So I was hoping it looked like he was stumbling and didn't really truly drop his head, but you know, it is what it is, and it's tough. Our guys responded. It was you know, having all three of your D linemen, top three D linemen guys out. We didn't panic. Let's just say that.
How did those guys hold up? I mean, you were stretched so thin up front, and Notre Dame, you know, wanted to do some stuff on the ground against you. How impressed were you?
Well, you got to give a lot of credit to Coach Johnson. I mean, throughout the entire year, he's been rolling those guys, and you know, Donovan Munger's averaging 15 plays a game, and Michael Hill's averaging 20 plays a game, and you know, during the season, sometimes the coach are looking up like, well, why are those guys out there? But they're out there for a reason. He knows what he's doing, and thank God he did, because it paid off.
It was that stretch in the second half. You guys had him pinned deep, and Taekwon makes a play, then Sam makes a play. And that's got to be another encouraging sign, I think, for the future, that it wasn't just Joey doing this all year.
And that's the name of the game. You know, I mean, guys got to get comfortable a little bit more in where they're at and what they're doing. But you got to make plays. You know, I mean, unfortunately, the game's closer than we'd like it to be because they made a couple plays. You know, hit a couple big ones. Guy missed a tackle. But that's the name of the game. You know, and that's what we did. I mean, 2 years ago, last year, quarterback goes down, somebody else steps up. In the midst of this thing, it was. That's one of the things you're proudest about is to see other guys step up and fight through it.
You're short-handed already with the Dolphins and Tommy, and then Joey goes out. What were you thinking at the time?
Well, you know, you can't allow yourself to your mind to wander. You know, and didn't want any of those guys' mind to wander. What we can't do is show any flinching as coaches on the sidelines. Your demeanor, your body language, your attitude will reflect directly on those guys that are out there playing. So, at the moment, would not allow myself to even blink an eye about it. But deep down inside my gut, I'm thinking, ooh, this is going to be interesting.
Luke, this might not be easy to put into words or sum up.